In this video, you'll learn how to build your mailing list with Google Forms. We'll go through the complete process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to collect and organize email addresses automatically. Let's start by creating your form. Open Google Forms from your Google account. You can either start from a blank form or use a simple template if you prefer, but for a mailing list, a blank form is usually best. Give your form a clear title at the top, something like Join Our Mailing List, or Subscribe for Updates, so people immediately understand what the form is for. You can also add a short description just under the title to explain what kind of emails they'll receive, such as newsletters, announcements, or promotions. This helps set expectations and can improve the quality of your signups. Next, you'll want to add the basic questions you need to collect. By default, Google Forms usually starts with one question box. Click into that question area and change the question type to short answer if it isn't already. For the first question, type in name. This will let you personalize your emails later, which can make them feel more friendly and targeted. You can choose whether this question is required by using the toggle at the bottom of the question. In most cases, making the name required is a good idea, but if you'd like to allow people to sign up anonymously, you can leave it optional. Now, add another short answer question for the email address. Click the plus icon on the right to add a new question and set it to short answer as well. Label this one email address. This is the key piece of information for your mailing list, so you'll almost always want to make this question required. This prevents people from submitting the form without providing an email, which would defeat the purpose of the form. To make sure you collect valid email addresses, let's adjust the form settings. At the top of the page, click on the Settings tab, look for the option labeled Collect Email Addresses and toggle it on. When this is enabled, Google automatically checks that what people type looks like a properly formatted email address. It won't guarantee the email exists, but it will prevent common mistakes, like missing the @ symbol or using spaces. This small step can significantly reduce invalid or unusable emails on your list. Once your questions and settings are in place, your form is ready to start collecting responses. To turn those responses into a usable mailing list, you'll want them to be stored in a spreadsheet. At the top of the form, click the Responses tab. Here you'll see an icon that looks like a small green spreadsheet. Click that icon to create or link a Google Sheet to your form. Choose Create a New Spreadsheet and give it a clear name, or link it to an existing sheet if you already have one set up for your mailing list. From now on, every time someone fills out your Google form, their name and email address will automatically appear as a new row in that spreadsheet. Over time, this sheet becomes your mailing list, ready to be imported into your email marketing tool or used for manual email campaigns. That's all you need to build a simple, effective mailing list using Google Forms.